Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Mini Beverage Fridge is probably one of the most underrated appliances for anyone looking to keep their favorite drinks perfectly chilled and within arm's reach, transforming any space from a home office to a game room into a personal refreshment zone without the bulk of a full-sized refrigerator, making it an essential gadget for convenience and comfort. Number 5. hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. This mini fridge is ideal for setting up a home bar or providing extra beverage storage. It's perfect for your office, dorm, apartment, or RV, ensuring you always have chilled drinks ready. It boasts a sleek, freestanding design with a 3.2 cubic foot capacity. The reinforced glass door, matte silver stainless steel frame, and white LED light give it a truly modern appeal. With a generous capacity, it can hold up to 120 cans. Its 3 removable chrome wire shelves allow you to customize your drink organization for a premium home bar experience. Enjoy easy touch temperature control, cooling down to a crisp 34 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a digital display and a memory function to restore your preset temperature even if unplugged. This chiller uses energy-efficient technology and a whisper-quiet compressor. It ensures optimal performance without disturbing your environment. What we like. This mini fridge boasts a generous 120 can capacity, perfect for entertaining. Its digital touch control allows precise temperature settings down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your drinks are always perfectly chilled. If you frequently host gatherings or need extensive beverage storage with exact temperature management, you should consider this one. What people say. Number 4. Antarctic Star 18L Beverage Refrigerator Cooler 24 can. Introducing the Antarctic Star 18L Beverage Refrigerator Cooler. This mini fridge ensures your favorite drinks are always at their ideal temperature, ready for enjoyment. Heat is no match for this cooler. Its powerful compressor maintains a consistent temperature between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 61 degrees Fahrenheit, even on the hottest days. This ensures your beverages are stored in optimal conditions for long-term enjoyment. With a reinforced door and airtight seal, it maintains ideal humidity levels, enhancing your living space. The soft blue LED interior lighting not only looks smart but also makes it easy to find your drinks in the dark. This compact cooler offers 0.6 cu.Ft. of space, perfect for cola and beer. Its horizontal racking provides an efficient and tidy way to store up to 24 standard-size drink cans. Measuring just 14.88 d x 11.02 w x 16.73 h inches, it's incredibly compact. This allows it to fit seamlessly into your home, dorm, bar, or office without taking up too much valuable space. Equipped with an advanced cooling system, it keeps your beverages at the right temperature without any disturbance. You'll barely notice it's there, ensuring a peaceful environment. What we like. This compact cooler excels at maintaining a steady temperature range of 40 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, even in warmer environments. It features a quiet compressor and no vibration, preserving the quality of your beverages. If you are looking for a small, unobtrusive fridge that keeps drinks consistently cool without disturbance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 3. Electactic 24 cans mini fridge. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks anytime with this compact cooler. It keeps your soda, beer, or water at the ideal serving temperature for any occasion. Easily adjust its temperature from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your preference. This ensures consistent cooling, so you'll never have warm sips or frozen surprises. It fits perfectly on any countertop or desk, yet surprisingly holds up to 24 standard cans. Organize your favorite beverages without cluttering your space. Powered by a strong compressor, it provides steady and uniform temperature. Your drinks will stay perfectly cold from the first can to the last. With its sleek black design and a 5.3-foot cord, you can place it almost anywhere. It's perfect for your bedroom, home bar, dorm, garage, or even a backyard barbecue. What we like. This model offers precise digital temperature control from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your drinks are always at their ideal chill. Its compact size holds 24 cans, fitting perfectly on countertops or desks. If you need a reliable, space-saving cooler with easy temperature adjustment for your office or small living area, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Electactic 50 cans Beverage Refrigerator Cooler. Preparing for a party or just want a refreshing drink? This 1.3 Cu.Ft beverage refrigerator is exactly what you need. It's perfect for upgrading your space or serving guests perfectly chilled drinks. Designed for ultimate performance, it features an easy-to-use temperature control button. You can select the optimal temperature from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your drinks and preferences. Equipped with a high-performance compressor, it provides constant and even cooling. The glass door ensures an airtight seal, keeping cold air inside and maintaining ideal temperatures. Though mini, it's incredibly spacious, boasting a 1.3 Cu.Ft volume that fits up to 50 standard cans. Its sturdy metal partition helps you organize wine, beer, soda, and more effectively. With its compact, spacious, and high-end design, it fits perfectly in your bedroom, garage, or game room. You can also use it outdoors for parties, gatherings, or backyard BBQs. What we like. This beverage refrigerator provides a spacious 50-can capacity, ideal for parties or family use. It features smart temperature control and a high-performance compressor for superior, consistent cooling. If you need a mid-sized cooler with robust cooling power and good organization for various drinks, you should consider this option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source is empty. Number 1. Joy Pebble 3.2 Cu.Ft Beverage Refrigerator. This mini refrigerator, with its sleek black stainless steel framed glass door, is perfectly sized for any room. It conveniently holds a variety of beverages, allowing you to impress guests at any gathering. Its premium design adds an artistic touch to your home decor. It features an easy-touch temperature control with a digital display, letting you set temperatures from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily set it to a constant temperature or adjust it as needed using the child lock function. This makes it a helpful addition to your family. Equipped with an R600A cooling system and a low-noise compressor, it ensures cold air is evenly distributed. This keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature while providing a quiet environment, operating at less than 38 decibels. You'll enjoy great tasting drinks without any disturbance. It includes multiple sturdy, adjustable shelves, storing up to 130 standard cans. The design prevents bottles from falling and maximizes space. Soft blue LED interior lighting beautifully displays your beverages, even in the dark. This mini fridge boasts a stylish, classy look with an easy-to-use electronic display. Its compact size ensures it won't take up much space in your home. We also offer excellent after-sales service, ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like. This fridge offers a substantial 120-can capacity within an ideal size, perfect for any room. It boasts an advanced R600A cooling system and a low-noise compressor, operating under 38 decibels. If you require a large capacity cooler that runs exceptionally quietly and offers flexible storage with adjustable shelves, this is a top contender. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.